Hey everyone, I'm back. Just did some slow-mo, so you'll all see it on social media. Oh, we have a beautiful storm coming in, we really do. It's rolling in, I love it. Oh, there you go. We've had some sky splitters tonight, lightning, and it's absolutely been beautiful. You'll see it on the video. Hopefully it gets more and more intense. Can't wait till it just absolutely smashes us. Whoa, there you go. It's raining now. Absolutely, it's going to pour down. Hopefully we get a lot more lightning. Well, here comes the wind. That means a change in plans. The wind's coming, the rain's coming. I don't trust the rain with this phone, so hopefully I'm getting shelter here, but yeah, hopefully we got shelter. Well, there you go, get some lightning happening. Bring on the storm, Mother Nature, bring it on. Give it all you got. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for whatever you've got to hand out. Whew, it's going to be a good night. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a sky splitter. Bring it on, Mother Nature, bring it on. Love your work. Love your work. Oh, come on. There you go. There's the thunder. Oh, doesn't get any better than this, I can tell you that. Mother Nature's going to hammer us with it tonight, and I love it. Oh, bring it on, bring it on. Bring it on. Yeah. Bring it on. Bring it on. Thank you, Mother Nature, for putting this show on. Whoa! Oh, there you go. There you go. Love your work, Mother Nature. Love your work. Love your work. Do your thing. I love your work. Love your work. Love your work. Bring it on all night long. You heard the thunder, guys. It's putting on a hell of a show for us. Oh, wow. There you go. You hear her. You hear her. She's talking to us loud and clear. Oh, gotta love that. Okay, I'll stop filming now. I'm gonna upload. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye for now.